Have you ever found a scrumdiddlyumptious hidden food gem inside a mall? Well, I did while I was in Hong Kong. I was at this mall called Caleb Musea, and I saw these signs for this restaurant, and I just knew I had to find it. Like, I was power walking through the whole mall trying to find this place, and I finally found it. And oh my gosh, was this place worth it? I really don't know how much of a hidden gem this is. I think it might actually have multiple locations, but all I know was that it was hiding in the cut of the restaurant, and I felt like I was in a maze trying to find it. But I found it. It was so well worth it. I know you can see just by looking at it. Look how rich it looks. Look how long these noodles are, and they're so snappy. My goodness, these noodles were so delicious. It was a wonton brisket noodle soup. I hear that's like a good dish that you want to try when you're in Hong Kong. It's a nice snappy wonton noodle soup. It was just, yes, it hit the spot. The broth was flavorful, the meat in the soup was just tender. Ooh, it just fell apart. The wontons had a nice snap to it. It was just what I needed, especially after a horribly, terribly chaotic first day in Hong Kong. I was literally just in a crisis. I was going through it. I needed me something to get me through, and this lifted my spirit up and prepared me to enjoy my Hong Kong trip after a terrible first day.